guys know that it just doesn't taste the same unless you drink out of one of them speckled enamel ware coffee cups. It's like they give you in jail. I know it's not blue. I want it to be different.
Hush your eye, don't you cry. Let's go to sleep, you little baby. When you awake, we will have cake and all the pretty little horses. Dun and bay, sorrel and gray, a paw with 6 white horses. Dun and bay, sorrel and gray, and all the pretty little horses. Mama gone and daddy gone, oh, we miss our little baby. So when you wake, we will have cake and all the pretty little horses. Way down yonder, down in the middle, there's a poor little lamb. The bees and flies are plucking out its eyes. A poor little lamb, crying for its mother, crying for its mother. So hush your cry, don't you cry. Now go to sleep, you little baby. When you awake, we shall have cake and all those pretty little horses. The pretty little horses. All the pretty little horses. All the pretty little horses.
Yep, that's my foot. I'm sitting here in my zero gravity lounger.
Broadway Commerce. Lots of traffic out on the move right now at 6:30.
Okay.
Loaded up way out there. Something ready to go there at the house. It won't be on a Dutch oven though.
Now my friends, what y'all are seeing there in the foreground, that Dutch oven with all the coals on it, that is my rendition of, these are nachos. Nachos. Man, they're gonna be good. Put the coals on the lid. I got about a half pound of cheese in there and some chunk chicken over some tortilla chips. Man, that's gonna be good. Go right along with my cold brew. Got my silver bullet and my nachos coming up. Nachos. I wanted to see if y'all could hear the children of the night in their beautiful song. Or however that Dracula says that. Coyotes are very prevalent around this area. Alright, I'll be back. My friends, this is what it's all about. There's just me and my fire and the stars. I don't know if y'all can get that or not. That's Orion's belt up there. This is what I live for. This is a zero gravity recliner. I believe God created this for men. Got the coffee working away. Nice fire going. I believe it is 42 degrees. I don't know if you can make out that light beyond my truck. Can you see that? You see that light out there? I woke up and that was a big glow in the sky. I couldn't tell whether it was from my campsite, but I saw people moving. I saw people moving in the light. I thought, this is it. The mothership has come to pick me up and take me away. What it turned out to be was some Mexicans over there milling around in the middle of the night. They're a work crew and they're doing something to some public facilities over there for the state park. And somebody turned on a big orange light over there. And I saw figures walking around. I'll show y'all how this works. You grab that ring in the back of this coffee cup. You grab that ring on the back of this coffee. And there's a nice steaming mug of toasted hazelnut. Y'all hear them coats? We'll let that run for a minute. Let y'all watch it. I'll be right back.
Mama gone, daddy gone. Oh, we miss our little baby. So when you wake, we will have cake and all the pretty little horses. Done in big, sorrow and gray, a paw with 6 white horses. Done in big, sorrow and gray, and all the pretty little horses. Way down yonder, down in the middle, there's a poor little lamb.
Sometimes I wonder, I say, Lord, is it right for one man to live this good? Hope y'all enjoying that fire. I sure am. I'm hearing some noises out there. It's kind of strange since how I am where I'm at. If y'all wanted to know, it's right now it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I restoked this fire about 3. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is good coffee. Let y'all watch that fire for a second. Don't let it go out now. You guys know that it just doesn't taste the same unless you drink out of one of them speckled enamel ware coffee cups like they give you in jail. I know it's not blue. I want it to be different.